Since we've met, I've been in awe of you. You're incredibly kind, intelligent, independent, resilient, adventurous, professional, and beautiful. I love that you don't coast through life and you don't settle for being excellent in one thing. You're the whole package. You continue to inspire me every day to be better at work, as your partner, as a better person. Thank you for all of your patience with me over the last few years and allowing our relationship to grow into what we have now. You don't need me, as we always say, but thank you for choosing me to be your partner. I see your love as a gift, and I know how precious that is, so I promise to take advantage of that every day. I promise I will return your love with patience, faithfulness, and respect, and I don't want to ever limit you from reaching your personal or professional dreams. I promise to support you in reaching those. I promise to continue pushing you to be your best, just as you push me to be my best. I promise to always communicate with you as clearly and honestly as I can. I'll always make time for us. You're my adventure buddy and my partner in life. I can't wait to grow with you as a team forever. I know exactly what I want now,